Hey everybody, in the kit you should have the items that you see right in front of you. The bag will have 8 screws, 4 silver, 4 black. Now to install this thing, the first thing you want to do is take the aluminum, peel the backer off, and then use some of the packing material to hold it up against the fence. Now you want to line up the edge of the aluminum piece with the right side of the infeed table so it looks like that, and then add the silver screws to the 4 hole positions, making sure to do it with a hand driver so you don't power through that. It is aluminum and you don't want to drive the screws through the aluminum. Next, add some cork rubber to it. There's 3 pieces of cork rubber in your kit, and you'll just add cork rubber to the bottom side until you can line it up pretty close to flush with the top of the table. For the clamp, you want to install it 7/8 of an inch in from the side, and then you want to measure your front bar. In this case, on the saw stop, it's 3 inches, so I'm going to put the clamp in the closed position, then measure from the aluminum angle piece back 3 inches and to the nose of that, and then screw the clamp down. Now, once I do that, I'm going to test it to make sure that when I actuate the clamp that it has a nice grip on it, and adjust it as needed. Now, once I have it to a position that I'm comfortable with, that quarter 20 nut, I'm just going to tighten that down by hand and lock that into position, and voila, you have your clamp or your infeed table ready to go.